Stocks news, and for that, Navneet is standing by.
Morning, Nikunj. Keep an eye on State Bank of India today. The bank has cut interest rates on some of the bulk deposits by about 25 basis points. And even if you look at the stock yesterday, in a falling market, it was up by about 1%. But right now, it's trading below all its key moving averages after the sharp decline which we saw coming in for the counter post its quarterly numbers. Moving on to Ranbaxy, well, the problems are just mounting for this pharma company. Before it was US FDA, now it's European Union competition regulator, which may levy fine on the company for blocking entry of cheap generics. Well, the European Union competition regulator may fine about 9 companies in which Ranbaxy's name features. Well, we don't know the quantum of this fine, but if in case they find any evidence of infringement, the fine could be 10% of the annual turnover of the company, which will be a major hit for the company. Keep an eye on Ranbaxy. Yesterday, the stock was down by about 3.5%. On YTD basis, too, this counter is down 28%, currently trading below all its key moving averages. And moving on to Idea, today Economic Times paper reported that the company is in talks with Axiata, which is a Malaysian-based company, to sell its tower business. Well, the deal as of now is stuck over the valuation of assets, and Idea is looking to divest about 9,400 of its tower in order to raise funds for its capex, license renewal and purchase of airways. The report also indicates a team from Malaysia would be visiting India in the coming few weeks for further negotiations on the deal value. So keep an eye on Idea. On YTD basis, the stock is done quite well, up about 25%. It's trading near its 52-week high as well, and the stock currently is testing its 20-day moving average. Lastly, keep an eye on SAIL. Company reported its production numbers for the month of May. It has reported highest production. It's a record number for the company. Well, if you look at the production for the month of May, it grew by about 11% at 1.152 million ton. But if you look at the counter on YTD basis, it's down by about 37%.